This is Dr. Nudehi. In this video, I'll explain robotics, vibrations, control, and electric machine laboratory. The ME467 laboratory is a one-credit class. Basically, we meet every week. This laboratory is made of total of 14 experiments. 5 of them are related to electric machines. 3 of them are related to mechanical vibrations. 4 of them automatic control. And we also have 2 experiments on robotics. Basically, the goal of this laboratory is give you a hands-on experience for topics like vibration and automatic control, in-depth knowledge of electric machines, which are very important, and also introduce you to ABB robot that we have in the laboratory. And this slide shows the experiments for electric machines. As I said earlier, we have total of 5 experiments. We have experiment on permanent magnet DC motor. We have an experiment on brushless DC motor. We have an experiment of the stepper motor. We are working with series and shunt DC motors and 3-phase motor. For the permanent magnet and stepper and brushless DC motors, basically we use Arduino mega board in order to drive the motors. In this laboratory, we are going to use Lavio Arduino, Simulink Arduino, and Arduino the interface in order to drive these motors. Basically, you program the commutation in the motor yourself instead of using industrial drivers. However, for the shunt and series DC motor and AC induction motor, we are going to use industrial drivers. As you see, for example, we are using a variable frequency drive for an AC motor to run basically a generator and create energy. So in all of this laboratory, you are going to look at the characteristic of these motors, learn how to drive them, and basically learn what is the advantage of one motor compared to another motor. For the experiment in mechanical vibrations, basically we use vibration toolkit in LabVIEW. The goal of this experiment is to find the natural frequency and mode shape of different structures. For example, here you see a cantilever beam, which you have accelerometer connected, and the goal is to find the frequency response and find the natural frequency of this structure. In the class, you learn theoretically how do you find these frequencies, and in the lab I'm going to show you how experimentally you can find basically this frequency and mode shapes. We also use find element analysis in SolidWorks to find the natural frequency and mode shape of this structure using a software. Automatic control experiments are made of 4 experiments. We do a temperature control of a thermal chamber. We are gonna control the temperature inside. We heat it up, we cool it down. We also control the speed and position of a permanent magnet DC motor. We are gonna control the voltage of a DC circuit, which is not shown here. And also I'm gonna teach you one of the LabVIEW toolkit, which is called LabVIEW Simulation and Control Module. In these experiments, the goal is to design a feedback loop and maintain the variable of interest, like temperature, like voltage, like position and speed of a motor. The final 2 experiments of this laboratory are related to robotics. So in this laboratory, we work with a software called Robot Studio. In this software, we can basically simulate the behavior of ABB robot. We are going to basically control and program each of actuator and see how the end effector of the robot move. Also, we are going to learn how to work with the ABB robot, how program the robot in order the end effector basically move a certain path. The goal of ME467 basically is introduce you to different topics that you are going to see in the curriculum and also you may see in your future career. Thank you.